My name is Austin Wolab, and I'm a senior studying mechanical engineering at the University of Kansas. Today, I will be giving you a tour of the mechanical engineering department, showing you both the groups I'm a part of and the ones that you can join. This is Dr. Fang's research lab, where I'm working on an autonomous rover with a depth camera. The depth camera uses stereo vision and infrared projection to accurately measure distances. And then from that data, I could create a map, which I could use for obstacle avoidance and navigation. This is the Jayhawk Motorsport Shop. Every year, a team of students builds their very own Formula race car. This year, we're building an electric car, and it is a group of seniors doing this as their senior design capstone project, as well as underclassmen that are coming here to volunteer. Here is my friend Stacia Zahn that will give you more information about this project.
Hi, my name is Stacia Zahn. I am the manufacturing director for our 2024 Formula team. I supervise all stages of manufacturing as we go from designing, manufacturing, to then building a functioning race car. We started as a group of 6 mechanical engineering students and has grown to over 40 different students, both capstone, seniors, and volunteers. Here behind me is our finished chassis as we wait for it to get painted. Then everything else will be added to the car and come back at the end of the semester and see our full race car.
This is Dr. Lukey's Biodynamics Research Lab. I get the opportunity to use this lab for both my senior design capstone project as well as my biomechanics research class. So I have a IMU, which is an inertial measurement unit for my senior design capstone project. I'm able to use that to get acceleration, which I have here. In this task, I have someone just sitting there, walking and then running. And then I can also get rotational velocity in different directions, like here is the X direction. And I could use this data to create activity levels to determine how active a person is. And I can use that data to give to a clinician where they can help work with a patient on concussion management. For my biomechanics class, I could use the force plates in this lab to determine someone's center of pressure. So I could stand on it with one foot and measure my postural sway, or I can walk across it to measure my gait. And from that, I can determine if someone is at risk of falling. Beyond research, there are also plenty of student organizations that you can get a part of. So one organization that I have been a part of is Engineers Without Borders, where I've had the opportunity to travel to Bolivia 2 years to build solar showers in a small community in the Andes. So I got to use skills from my classes in engineering. One of them, computer graphics, where I learned how to use 3D modeling software, and so I got to model both a sub-assembly of the shower head as well as the pipe array here. Then I got to actually travel to the community and build those designs that I made. I really love this organization because I get to see the humanitarian aspect of my engineering work and to know that my work has a real impact on people's lives. This is the Hill Engineering Research and Development Center, ran by Dr. Debsick. This center focuses on innovative and sustainable energy solutions for the transportation industry. I had the opportunity to work with Dr. Debsick as just a sophomore, working on a piece entitled Electric Vehicle Simulations in Kansas-Centric Conditions. And so the basis of the study was simulating 6 electric vehicles and seeing how they behaved in Kansas-centric conditions and seeing their actual range as a function of those conditions like snow, rain, ice, and their vehicle speed. I was really happy to be a part of such a cool project as just a sophomore and to get my name published. One great thing about mechanical engineering is that it gives you exposure to such a wide range of topics. I took full advantage of this by taking internships in 3 different sectors: aviation, energy, and space. I interned at Textron Aviation, where I worked on designing components of Cessna private jets, as well as at Black & Beach, where I worked on carbon capture facilities and power plants. And then I even took a semester off from school to intern at NASA in Huntsville, Alabama, where I worked on an autonomous rover for navigation and mapping on the lunar surface. And I got to design a docking function and other movement algorithms that I could test in a lunar regolith terrain field, which is basically a sandbox of moon rocks. Thank you for joining me on a tour of the Mechanical Engineering Department. I hope to see you on campus soon. Rock chalk.